Hello, welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen, and today I have a tasty, easy drink to make for Valentine's Day for your sweetheart. It's a strawberry Italian soda. To make this, you will need 4 ingredients. You will need either Torani Strawberry Syrup or Da Vinci Strawberry Syrup, some heavy whipping cream, and if you don't have heavy whipping cream, half and half will work just fine. And you'll need some ginger ale. Of course, you're going to need a little ice as well. You are going to need 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of strawberry syrup. Add 3 tablespoons of half and half or whipping cream, your choice. I used whipping cream in mine. Now I learned something really important when I was making this. If you do the syrup first, that's a big no-no. You want to do it opposite from what I did. You want to put your cream in first and then add your syrup, because otherwise it will curdle and then the mixture separates after it just sets for a few minutes. So it's very important that you put the cream in first and then add the syrup. Next, you will add your ice. Finally, fill the glass up with ginger ale. You can use any kind of syrup that you want. This is just the basics for how to make an Italian cream soda. Now you know.